I'm Avinash Mankar. I'm the director of Tara Tools. We are into design and manufacturing of checking fixtures for the automotive sheet metal plastic parts and their assemblies. We have a high-tech setup of 6 VMC machines, HMC machines, VTL machines and CMM machines. Our main focus is to supply the best quality fixtures and on-time deliveries. Our valuable customers are Mahindra & Mahindra, Tata Motors, Maruti Suzuki, Honda, Faurecia and many others. We started our operations in the year 2006 in Pune. While setting up of the CNC machines, we had a challenge of selecting the best CAM solution. We had the requirements of ease of operating, the speed of processing and value-added milling features. We did a lot of benchmarking of various CAM softwares, lot of trials were done and we finalized with WorkNC CAM solution.
Hi, my name is Sumit Kore. I am working in Tara Tools. We have been using WorkNC software from day one. The undercut machining functionality of WorkNC is very useful. We are very impressed support we receive from Hexagon Production Software whenever we stuck at any technical issue while using WorkNC software.
Hello, my name is Prashant and I am working in Tara Tools. The best part of this software is that we can trace the progress of cases created without contacting anybody. The support engineer from Hexagon Production Software contact us and provide solution through a remote support tool.
I am very happy with the performance of the WorkNC CAM solution. We have a very long association with Hexagon's WorkNC CAM software. Due to the strong support of the WorkNC team and the value-added machining features they provide, we have never thought of adding any new CAM software to our organization. We are happily using this software since 2006. I would highly recommend Hexagon's WorkNC CAM solution. This is one of the best CAM solutions. Thank you.